On grill, they have sprinkled chaat masala as well as chili powder. It's damn fresh. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today we have dropped down to Tumkur Road and this restaurant is towards Dasarali side and hardly like 50 to 70 meters from Jalalli metro station. So the restaurant name is Grill Biryanis. So this restaurant was referred by one of the other restaurant owner name called Durga Prasad. He is the owner of Kadak Biryanis and Grills. We had done it like quite long back, which is in Amruthalli. So I'll be mentioning the link in the description. So let's go and check out in this restaurant what is so special of Grills Biryani. So here is Madhu. He is the manager of Grill Biryanis restaurant. So Madhu, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ restaurant ಇದೆ?
The restaurant ಬಂದು 3 years ಆಯಿತು.
3 years. Okay. So ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸರ್. ಬಿರಿಯಾನೀಸ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಬಿರಿಯಾನೀಸ್, ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಂದೂರಿ ಇದು, ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಮನ್ ಚಿಕನ್, ಕಬಾಬ್ಸು,
ಕಬಾಬ್ ಮಸ್ಟನ್ ಶೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ,
ಕಬಾಬ್ ಮಸ್ಟನ್ ಶೂಡು, ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ತಂದೂರೀಸು,
ಓಕೆ,
ಕಲ್ಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಗ್ರಿಲ್ಲು,
ಓಕೆ,
ನಮ್ಮ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಕ್ರೌಡೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಸರ್, ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರು. ಸಿ ಹೀರೋ ಕೇಮ್. Finally, I was expecting this guy to be here. He's in the video. Durga, how are you?
I'm very happy.
He opened a new branch, but he didn't invite me. Later I'll speak to you regarding that.
There will be a Tom and Jerry fight between both.
That will be later, not in front of the camera.
Okay.
And one more important point, guys. In this restaurant, more than dine-in, they have lot of takeaways. Per day, minimum like 400 to 450 orders is gonna be coming from Zomato as well as Swiggy. And they have got some award also from Swiggy that Zomato,
Not Swiggy.
Zomato. By saying what?
Most trusted restaurant in this
Most trusted restaurant of
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. Guys, the plate is yellow color and the wall is also yellow color. Plate is dark yellow, yolk yellow, and this is light yellow. First dish, I'm starting with shawarma. With that, they have given kobos, not rumali roti or some other rotis. It's proper kobos. Ha 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 ha. The mayonnaise wetness is there. Usually in shawarma, the cabbage will be added more, but in this, chicken is added more. Chicken is completely filled inside this kobos and raw onions has been used. The chicken is being completely roasted well. They have rolled chicken like anything, so the roastness flavor is there, and mayonnaise thickness is medium thick, slightly thick, but mayonnaise taste. The slight sweetness is there in the mayonnaise, and the roastness of the chicken and the sweetness of the mayonnaise is giving a very good taste with this kobos. Kobos is really very soft. Kobos, they are not getting it from out. They are preparing their own kobos in this restaurant itself. So the kobos really good. Slightly green chutney has been added. That means mint chutney. So mint chutney and that mayonnaise, very good combination with this shawarma. So here is grilled chicken. They told that they will provide us full grill, but full grill is not required for 2 people. Half grill is more than enough because I don't want to waste the food. On grill, they have sprinkled chaat masala as well as chili powder. It's damn fresh because grilled chicken freshness you can find only in wings and breast. It is so damn soft, and the masala has been marinated for a quite long period of time. The chili powder and chaat masala taste is quite dominating. They have marinated this grill in curd, I think, because softness is in next level. I'm not feeling that I'm eating a breast. It is so damn soft. Whenever I eat grilled chicken, I love to use two hands. One is for tearing and another is for holding. I love outer layer of grilled chicken skin. It will be so damn roasted and it will be so crisp when I'm eating. Amazing taste. The entire masala will be molded in the chicken skin. That will give a next level of taste and the slightly crispiness. That is an amazing feel. I love to taste some onions with this. Wow, amazing taste. It's very spicy and the taste wise is in next level. And with grill they have given us garlic mayonnaise. I love to taste this garlic mayonnaise. This is their own preparation. Whoa, thickness of the mayonnaise is in next level, guys, as it was in Kadak biryani itself. Let me squeeze some lemon. I've got some lollipop, chicken lollipop. It's summer, I have to be very careful when I'm eating chicken. Usually lollipop I can find it in red color, in kebab color, but here the lollipop is in slightly lemon color, that means yellow color, and on top the curry leaves has been sticked. Wow. This is tasting like a manchuri. Slightly spiciness is there. Taste wise, beautiful. Finely chopped chilies is also being sticked here and there. So the spiciness is there when I'm having this chicken lollipop. And they have used pepper also. So the pepper taste is there at last when I'm finishing this meat. Any oil fried item, it might be mutton or it might be chicken, marinating process is really very important. Here comes up with lemon chicken. On lemon chicken they have sprinkled some coriander leaves and some pepper. Just look at this chicken strip. It's a boneless strip. The lemon is being squeezed well and slightly the crispiness is there because they have used corn flour. First they have done oil fry, then they have salted this chicken strips with lemon sauce. Lemon taste is really very dominating. At last the pepper taste is there. Here and there fried onions crispiness is also there. So here is capsicum. They have used capsicum also and finely chopped chilies also. So while eating we have to be careful. Finely chopped capsicum can be eaten but not chilies. So here is chicken 65. I can see some red chilies on top, dry red chilies, and coriander leaves has been salted well. This is in red color. First they have coated with corn flour, oil fry, then they have put it in masala. This is exactly like a chicken Manchurian itself. Spiciness is really very good because finely chopped chilies is being stick to the corn flour well and they have fried it. So taste wise fantastic. And garlic taste is quite dominating in this. And this red chilies inside, chili flakes has completely spreaded in this chicken 65, that is even more spicy. So here is mutton fry, finally came to mutton. After this again we have to go back to chicken. There is a lot of dishes pending. The meat is really very soft. Garam masala taste is quite dominating in this. They have used coriander powder. and the meat has left completely fat. The fat is just flowing in the plate. More than oil, the fat is flowing. Taste-wise good. Mutton, this is the right time to eat. If you need to eat mutton, you have to eat in summer itself. The meat is tender, good enough to chew it and have it with rice, but not as a starter. Here is chicken kebab. This is must and should, they told, because having so many starters, I have not gone to the main course itself. Before that only my stomach is completely filled. So first bite, let us try this. The crispiness of the kebab is in next level, and chili powder, whatever they have used, it is really very spicy. The kebab is tasting in a next level, guys. This kind of kebab I never tried, and inside also the chicken is being completely cooked well. Such a big piece, but still meat has been cooked well. Just look at this. The masala has been molded by meat so well. They have left for the marinating process for a quite long period of time. So the kebab is tasting in the next level, guys. Guys, at last and final starter, Malai Tandoori chicken. The Malai taste is really very dominating. Slightly they have used pepper, and the crispiness of the tandoor flavor is there on top. So that is giving a very good taste. Guys, finally coming to the biryani part. So biryani, I asked them for half, because if they give full biryani, no, the entire biryani will be wasted. Already stomach is filled, as I told you. So half I will eat, half my camera women will eat. They have given us gravy and raita, 2 slices of onions and 1 lemon. They have used jirge samba rice. The aroma is like in next level. This is the dum part. The rice is slightly roasted and it has cooked out really well. The cumin seeds has been used in this, so the flavor is quite high. This is not at all spicy, but taste wise, it's in next level, guys. A simple biryani and the best biryani after a long time I am eating. Finally having so much of starters, and main course was like one. After having so much of food, it's like I need a bed to have a good sleep. Especially with the summer season, having so much of chicken is like, my god. You people might be knowing how it is. The food was really good. Trust me guys, you have to try kebab here. The kebab was really best, and the next one personally recommended was chicken 65 and lemon chicken. It was amazing. The quantity and the quality whatever they are using for food, it's just in next level, guys. It's not that they are using something cheap quality and they are preparing for taste. And even biryani, they have not used dalda and all. The price and the location will be mentioned in the description part. You can go and you can visit once whenever you are traveling towards Jalali. The food is just amazing. Especially for lunch, you have to try this mutton fry. Mutton fry was really good with biryani, not as a starter. Anyhow guys, catch you in the next vlog. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Take care. Bye.